We're gonna do a cold start on Old Smoky this morning. I think it's around -17. I don't know. Haven't checked the temperature yet. All I know is it's cold. It's been plugged in for about an hour. Let's see if she'll turn over. Alright, so I'm gonna put her on the mirror here. Clutch in. Cycle the glow plug a couple times. Alright. I think I'm gonna do it for 3 times, so one more after this. And one more. Alright, so let's watch I'll zoom in here. Alright, so today it started. I guess I'm scoping out the neighbors again. That is not a pretty cutter. And of course the GM end gate. Alright. There it is. Old Smoky's fire up for the day.